This is how you become self-sufficient, by making your own well, drilling your own well. He's putting water in it to soften the ground. How high do you guys think you guys went down?
12 feet.
Okay, they use that right there and they pounded it down 12 feet. And then you guys probably got how many more feet to go? Guessing?
6 to 8.
6 to 8 more feet. And then we're going to put a top on and it's going to run out without power. Yes, without power. It's going to be awesome.
With a hand pump. Do you want me to try pounding it?
Yeah, you can pound it. Show them what you're doing. And that's a 2-inch or is it a 4-inch?
2.
It's a 2-inch well then. That's how they've been doing it. And hopefully by today sometime we'll hit water and I can put the top on it. And I can put down the link. Very easy hand pump. It just flows out. Did you hit water already?
No.
Oh.
Resting.
Oh. Resting time.
Oh, I didn't put the hose back in.
Anyways, as I was saying, I could tell you guys where to get your hand pumps at if you like it. They come from Canada, but it's easier than doing that hard hand pumping. It's almost effortless.
For a 2-inch.
This says, well, drive pipe. That's what you need.
And now we're going to put tape on, thread tape on it. So I don't
And you have to do this why? To make it longer, to go in deeper?
Yeah. It's only 10 feet deep now.
And you guys are going at least 20 feet?
15.
Or 15. Okay.
We'll have 5 feet of water.
This is how to make a well on your property so you can always have water. Because during the famine, there is also a water shortage according to the Bible.
And no electricity.
And no electricity. So you're going to want water on your property. You're going to want to do this well, especially for yourselves, for animals, you know, to cook with, clean with.
You need to see how deep your water table is. Ours is very shallow here.
Find out how deep your water table is.
Okay, you can shut it off now.
Okay, this is the part he's hooking onto the other pipe, so it's longer. It's really easy to do. You guys can do it at home. Do it on your country property. And I also will make a video on harvesting rainwater.
You have to tighten everything down, of course, but then you
Tighten everything down,
and then
you put that on top of it and just hammer it down with that. It'll take you a little while.
Okay, we're done.
Are you going to show them how to do that?
I got to tighten all this down.
Oh. All right. All right, what are you doing?
Putting tape on the threads so they don't leak.
Okay.
2-inch down to a 1 1/4 inch, what the pump takes. Seemed like we could do this on a cooler day.
So if you can do it, anybody can do it, correct?
That's correct.
Easy, easy, easy.
Any
So you're going to want to put these pumps in on your property so when the water is hard to come by, which it will be, that you can have water.
Or you'd have no electricity.
Or no electricity. You're still going to want water to feed your animals and people and do your dishes and clean up with.
Forget how powerful that pump is that you bought. How many gallons that you can pump.
Tyler, don't mess with that. Okay. What are you doing now? Putting that on?
I'm gonna put that on the pipe. You have to go from 2 inches down to 1.25 inches.
2 inches down to 1.25 inches?
Yes.
Alright, let's get this on camera here.
2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches here, 1.25 inches, 1.25 inches.
Okay, and if they have any questions, you can answer it, right?
Yeah, and get all the stuff at Menards.
Yeah, he's buying all the stuff at Menards for right now besides the pump itself. That come from Canada.
This is hot. Probably need the other pipe wrench.
And the reason we got the one from Canada, because you didn't have to pump it like the other pumps, like at Menards and Home Depot. Very, very easy. Okay, everyone, I wanted to show you the pump, seeing how we have it here. Got this special ordered in Canada for around $700. I don't know what it would be now. But this is the pump that's going to go on top of it. Okay, he's putting on the pump. Okay, he's going to tighten it down.
Gotta have pipe wrenches.
You got to have pipe wrenches for this.
Oh man, everything's turning. Yes, it's tight enough.
All right, now you're going to pump. Okay, you got to prime it.
Oh, we gotta prime it.
Yeah, you got to prime it.
Oh, we need water.
Okay, he's priming it now. More water. All right.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Ew, that's ugly orange water coming up out of there. That's the way it's supposed to be when you first hit the water. I'm trying to get closer so you guys can see how dirty and rusty orange looking that is.
Well, it's gotta clean the screen. When you push it down, the screen got really dirty because of all the dirt and stuff. Be a while before you get good clean water.
All right. So that is how you do a pump. Be self-sufficient on your own land.
You can get a hose to put on top of that.
But that color and all that nasty stuff will
See
go
it?
away.
Yeah, it's getting cleaner now.
And you still will need to filter your water for drinking. But when your power goes out or who knows what may happen, you can always have water on your
So it's
property
getting cleaner.
to feed or to water your animals or whatever you need it for.
See how much cleaner it's getting?
And I'll be adding a description on where you can get that pump at. And please like and subscribe to my video. Hope you enjoyed.